Hey there, Eric Olvin with Sunland Guitars. We got a little parts caster glow up going on. Need some work. Came to me like this with all the old parts and pieces. It's gonna need a little fretwork there. You can see the divots. We're replacing the tuners. New pick guard. We got a 59 humbucker in the neck position. We're going with a Fender noiseless in the middle, and then a JV model humbucker, Seymour Duncan, going in the bridge. New Fender locking tuners, all new electronics, all new pots, new switch, ready to go. Now time for fretwork. As always, the first step for fretwork is to tape off everything that we just worked hard to polish up and clean up so that we don't get all that fret dust in there. I'm gonna start off by using a crowning tool, and to kind of make sure that I know that I hit everything that I need to, I take a black Sharpie and I sharpen off all of that here. And we also want to, of course, tape off the fretboard so we don't get all that fret dust inside the wood there. All right, now time to crown. Diamond crowning tool, Seymour Duncan. Honestly, the best tool that I ever have used for this. I've used other ones, off-market ones, cheaper ones. Dude, I've had this thing for, what, like 8 or 9 years now, and it's still going really strong. It is super expensive, but believe me, it's worth the money. Great product, great results. All right, now let's polish these frets.